allow, they have fixed a lot size. That means people who have deep pockets, they can only venture into, these kinds of trading activity. So they have fixed a lot size, which is much higher, because if you want to buy share Reliance, you can buy even one share in the cash market, but you can't do that in the futures option market. You have to buy minimum 250 stocks. Okay, so 250 into say 2,400, so it's about 5 lakh rupees money, which is you are actually playing with. Okay, so Reliance has 250. So similarly, other stocks like Maruti has a lot size 100, Tata Steel is 450, HDFC Bank is 550. Okay, this is basically to see that only people with deep pockets who can bear losses can only enter into these markets and not otherwise. Okay, so the base price. Okay, so I'll come to the base price. So if you look at the January contract, okay, like suppose today we are sitting in the month of say January. January is gone already. So there were three contracts: January, February, March, which were open in the month of January. The expiry was going to happen on 27th January, which is already gone, which was a Thursday. February 24th is Thursday, last Thursday of February, so the expiry happens on that day. So March is again the last Thursday of the March. So now, of course, we have contract for February, March, and April. Okay, fine. So read this now.
Index futures. Futures contracts are based on the Nifty 50 index, lot size 50.
So basically, you can even take a bet on Nifty 50. Okay, so the lot size is 50. Okay, एक सेकेंड, इसके पिछले वाली स्लाइड में इसमें क्या फर्क था? तो ये सेम ही है. ओके ओके निकिता.
Yes, sir. Index futures. Futures contracts are based on the Nifty Bank index, lot size 25.
So if you are taking a bet on Nifty Bank, the lot size is 25. Okay. If you're taking
futures,
if you're taking a bet on the Nifty Financial Services, that means all other than banks, all the companies like the Bajaj Finance and all, so that is made up of the financial services. So lot size is 40. Okay, so now we'll go and we'll visit the stock market and see what is going to happen. But before that, so let's take one case. Okay, so in the futures market, as I told you that there are two markets: the capital segment market, which I have termed as cash market, and the futures market, which you can see on your slide. Now, the future price is nothing but the spot price plus the cost of carry. Okay, so Reliance, I'll explain that. What is the cost of carry? Reliance Industries today spot is trading at 2378. Okay, whereas Reliance Industries future for the February contract is trading at 2393. So I'll just take you to the stock exchange and explain this. Okay, so we'll just straight away go to the futures and options, and I will be taking a bet. Okay, right here, this thing. So you will get this screen. Okay, fine. Suppose you are very bullish on, say, Reliance. Okay, so we'll understand, because you go to basically the technical indicators, look at the chart to find out whether Reliance is going to go up. So at the moment, I'm just skipping this part. You know that the Reliance is going to go. So you're going to take a futures option. So, there are options like you can go to futures or you can go to options. So today we'll be understanding the futures. Okay. So then you're going to choose the stock. For example, Reliance. Okay, so if you press this word, you'll get Reliance Industries. Okay, so that means you are bullish on Reliance. Okay, you can either buy Reliance or you can sell Reliance. If you are bullish on Reliance, you will buy it. If you are bearish on Reliance, you're going to sell it. Okay, so let's understand. So then we look at this contract here. Okay, so you have to enter into a contract to buy Reliance. Okay, so you select a contract. So now, there are three contracts which are appearing. So what is the spot price? Puru, what is the price in the stock market, current in the cash market? Udit, anyone? This is the spot price.
Sir, 2,389.
Okay, and what is the price in the futures market? In the month of the contract which is going to expire in the month of February. Puru?
2,398.
and it is changing, and there is a difference between the spot market and the futures market, isn't it? And what is the difference in terms of rupee? Approximately, कितना difference लग रहा है आपको?
Sir, 7.
7 rupee, okay.
7.
So you can either take a bet, for the contract which is going to expire on 24th of February, as I told you, the 3 contracts trading cycle, or you can take a bet for 31st of March. So for 31st of March, and the lot size is 250 for Reliance. And Udit, what is the price which is prevailing today for taking a bet in the month of March?
Sir, 2406.
Okay, and
Or like
yeah, and Chandra, what is the price if you want